How do celestial coordinates help find constellations? Imagine trying to find a tiny star in the vast night sky without any map or directions. It would be like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where celestial coordinates come in. They act like a universal map for the sky. Think of the sky as an enormous sphere surrounding Earth, called the celestial sphere. All stars and planets are projected onto this imaginary sphere, which helps us locate objects precisely. The two main tools used are called right ascension and declination. Right ascension is similar to longitude on Earth but measured in hours, minutes, and seconds. It tells us how far east an object is from a fixed point called the vernal equinox, which is like the 0 mark on a clock. Declination is like latitude. It measures how far north or south an object is from the celestial equator in degrees. Positive degrees mean north, negative means south. By knowing these two numbers, you can pinpoint exactly where a star or constellation is on the celestial sphere. For example, the bright star Sirius has specific right ascension and declination coordinates. If you have a star chart or a telescope with setting circles, you can dial in these coordinates to find Sirius easily. This system is especially helpful for stargazing because it doesn't depend on your location or the time of night. Celestial coordinates are like a fixed grid in space, so they stay the same regardless of where you are on Earth. This makes them perfect for creating constellation maps and guiding people through the night sky. When you look at a star map, it shows the sky based on these coordinates, helping you understand where each constellation is located. Using celestial coordinates also helps astronomers and educators communicate about objects in space clearly and consistently. Instead of describing a star's position with vague directions, they give precise numbers that anyone can use anywhere in the world. This is especially useful for international space programs or science outreach. In short, celestial coordinates act as a universal language for the sky. They help us find constellations and stars accurately, whether you're a beginner with a stargazing app or a scientist mapping the universe. They make exploring the night sky easier, more precise, and more fun for everyone.